Are you finding it difficult to attract the right buyers for your home? Ineffective marketing leads to missed opportunities. This is frustrating and stressful, especially if you want to sell quickly and for the best price. The longer your home is in the market, the harder it becomes to sell because buyers start wondering what's wrong with the house. If your home is not getting the visibility it deserves, this will have an emotional toll on you, stress and anxiety, and will affect your peace of mind. The longer your home stays in the market, you might need to lower your price, leading to financial loss. Here are some actionable steps. Number one, use professional photography. High quality photos makes a difference. It attracts more buyers. Social media marketing gives you a wider audience. Use videos and virtual tours. Use targeted advertising, open houses, and lastly, partner with an experienced estate agent. With over 30 years in the real estate business, I've seen it all. If you're ready to move forward, give me a call and let's have a conversation.